Emergency broadcast system.
The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Suffolk County and eastern Massachusetts, east central Middlesex County and northeast Massachusetts, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located over Medford and was moving east at 35 miles per hour. Some locations impacted include Boston, Somerville, Malden, Medford, Revere, Arlington, Everett, Chelsea, Melrose, Saugus, Stoneham, Winchester, and Winthrop. Take cover now. Do not wait to see the tornado. Go to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, away from windows. If in a vehicle or outdoors, get to the closest shelter. Protect yourself from flying debris. Drivers should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely
tell Chelsea that.
Tornado, as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put. Area. Protect yourself from flying debris.
Look at this cell. This very concerned.